The team and I recently had the chance to visit one of the Hans laser factories. Yeah, they've got 7, but even just this one was enough to blow our minds. It's where they churn out those large format fiber lasers. And let me say, they're a sight to behold. Hans isn't just making machines. They're crafting some serious power players for industries that need it most, like steel service centers, shipbuilding, and heavy equipment. The precision of these lasers, it's like watching a conductor lead an orchestra where every instrument is just lasers. They also have a great support team based out of Dallas, Texas. So not only are these machines impressive, but there's also this dedicated crew making sure everything runs smoothly after they leave the factory floor. I just wanted to share this cool experience with you all. If you ever get curious about the kind of tech that's shaping the future of manufacturing, Hans Laser is worth a look. And if you're into that kind of thing, Fabrication America has the inside scoop on these machines, with some pricing that's as sharp as the lasers themselves. Reach out if you want to talk shop about this stuff. Thanks for watching, and God bless.